Welcome to 4611 Granite Lane, Toledo, Ohio. I'm in the 15 zip code today, and I am bringing you a completely remodeled, from top to bottom, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that has been touched in every way possible. I have both bathrooms being completely remodeled. I have new floor coverings. I have a brand new kitchen with appliances that are a couple of weeks old and not cheap, I might add. I have a dedicated laundry back there. I have a master suite that is massive, and the bedrooms for the kids are also incredibly large as well. This home is move-in ready and maintenance free. Call me today.